Okay, so you probably see this. You're like, whoa. All right. So we were driving home from Daytona, and my car literally just stops. Like everything turns off completely, start rolling to a stop, and I was in a somewhat okay area to pull to the side, get off on the road. We checked, and we were having no fuel pressure, but we were getting electric power, so we instantly came to the tank. We disconnected the overflow and the fuel lines, and then we disconnected the exhaust and just took it off from the header, and we pulled it down. I don't like this at all. It was not fun at all. It's gross, an icky job, and I will be sending it to a mechanic next time. Graham, you want to do these?
Not really.
Dad, is it supposed to look like that?
No.
Okay.
Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, I bet your pump is okay. Oh man, that little 2-inch piece of rubber hose is, that's what caused all this. It's just been pumping out of the hose. It split, it blew out. All right. This is a brand new pump.
Yeah, I just fixed it. Or we got fixed.
It's just got to be a bad piece of hose. That little 50-cent thing caused all of this.
Caused me hours of despair and misery.
Oh man. All right, let's fix that. I'll call the shop and tell them to cancel the new pump.
So when this happens, obviously you have to go get a new hose. So you're gonna go get a fuel injector hose. And you might be like, Riley, what's the difference? These two hoses look very similar, but one's on my carbureted car and one's on my fuel injected. And what the difference is the bar. So this is your carburetor hose, and it's a 3.4 bar, and this is your fuel injection, which makes this stronger and sturdier. But they look exactly the same, so make sure you get the right bar size. Little arts and craft moment. Okay, so we just put our hose right here, we tightened it up, and now because we are here, never want to drop our gas tank ever again, we are going to do all the hosing. So we are going to find our return hose. This is ours, and we're just going to mark it as return. I'm going to just say the white's the white, because this is a really bad marker. And then I'm going to follow it through all the way, and then mark it. Hopefully that's
You got the little kickstand, honey.
I'm not.
Okay. Are you sure it's on? Is it videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, get underneath there. No, just this one. I mean, that one's broke off. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. All right, back out. Oh my God. High five. Holy cow. All right, let me go check the hoses.
Because the gas tank runs from the tank to the body, we're gonna put some spacers on so that the hoses don't get crushed. We are replacing the fuel filter because we are here and might as well do it. Okay, so we are checking the fuel pressure at the fuel rail. If you come here, there's a little cup if it would like to come off. And take this off. Connect this puppy on. Ah! Get it on quickly. My dad's gonna prime it and should go between 30 and 40. 40 to 35. Really good. And when he starts it should level out.
How was it?
That was good.
Right about 30, 35?
Yeah, it went to 32.
Okay.
It is so much faster. It is so much more alert. As soon as I take my foot off the clutch, off of first, it is going right away, and it is so much quicker, so much better. Love it.